Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Elevate the finger for 5-10 minutes to reduce swelling, then dry it. Choose a thin, waxed thread or strong dental floss, and a lubricant, soap, oil, or lotion works. Thread one end under the ring by sliding at the nearest gap. If needed, use a pin to lift the edge gently. Once done, secure the long end. You will wrap from the fingertip toward the ring to compress tissue and create a tapered path. Now you wrap. Start at the fingertip and wind the long thread tightly toward the ring in even, overlapping turns to compress the tissue and reduce circumference. Make sure the short end is tucked under the ring so it won't slip. Once the finger is wrapped, begin unwinding the long end from the fingertip while pressing the ring. This pushes it over the compressed area. As you proceed, slow your pace, adjust tension, and make sure circulation remains. Stop if you see worsening color or sharp pain. Finish carefully. When the ring slides off, cut and remove the remaining thread, then wash and inspect the finger for abrasions or trapped thread ends. If the ring resists, make sure you tried ample lubricant and a tighter wrap. Repeating the wrap and unwind often helps. If you cannot get it off, or you notice blue discoloration, persistent numbness, or increasing pain, stop and seek professional help. Jewelers or emergency departments have tools and techniques that prevent tissue damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.